TYPHON TYRANT 17 mini excavator.
Morning light, the engine starts, ready to roll, ready to work with heart, small but strong.
TYRANT 17 is a brand new mini excavator by TYPHON Machinery with a 38,000 lbs operating weight, certified by the EPA in the USA. It features a Kubota D902 diesel engine with a net horsepower ranging between 10 to 20, making it suitable for a variety of digging tasks, with a maximum digging depth of 6.1 and 7 prone.
Every dig, every haul, every scene.
The intuitive control panel is easy to use, helping operators control the excavator quickly and comfortably.
717. Hot sun blazing, still it runs. No job too hard, it gets things done. Flexible.
Kubota D902, 3-cylinder, water-cooled diesel engine for reliable power and efficiency.
Morning light, the engine starts, ready to roll, ready to work with heart.
The safety lock protects both operator and machine. Stop the unit immediately if any issues occur to ensure safety.
Progress grows. The work never stops when the tyrant's here. Precision and power, crystal clear. Every dig, every haul, every scene, it's your dream machine. Tyrant 17.
The boom side swing moves 50° for easier work in tight spaces with precision.
No job too hard, it gets things done. Flexible, stay, made to stay, turning work into art every day. Free attachments, value supreme. TYPHON power, the builder's dream. The work never stops.
TYPHON TYRANT 17 excavator. With its Kubota D902 diesel engine, this 3,800-pound machine delivers strength and efficiency for any job.
Here's your strength, Tyrant 17.